Hello and good evening to all of our fellow pickle peeps listening.
Hello, peeps.
Well, we hope you're listening.
Yeah, you could just look and turn off the sound, but
Sure.
I don't
Why
think
not?
that would work that well.
You could try.
She's the pickle lady. I'm her
This
sidekick.
is Diane and Randal Bro. We are with eXp Realty. We are so excited. Every week we try to get together and share some of our thoughts, information with you, and just general, all kinds of stuff.
Yep. So this week we're going to talk about a little home improvement
Oh, yeah.
that we have done ourselves and should have done it a long time ago.
Yes.
Life-changing.
Yep.
Just so nice and wonderful.
Yes.
Doesn't sound like much, but it's just electric screens.
I know. It's like solar screens.
Solar screens.
Oh my God. It is
Shades.
the bomb.
Shades.
Yeah, solar shades.
Yeah.
It is the bomb.com.
Yeah.
So we have a great deck, and unfortunately we get morning sun up until about noon, and it is blazing into our living area.
Yeah, during the summer it's really
it
gets
can
hot.
get pretty.
It gets hot. In the
get
winter,
pretty rough.
it's cool, so you maybe kind of want the sun a little bit.
Yeah.
But in the summer, it's hot out there.
It's hot. It's
Yeah.
rough. So we invested and got some solar screens. They're on these nice little lines, wires, and we have remote. We go up and down all day long whenever we need it. Oh my gosh, and it just blocks out the heat. It blocks out the wind. It's delightful.
It is nice.
Well,
Creates a whole new room
really,
out there.
it does. It's like you're in your own separate little sun porch, you know what I mean? And nobody can see you, so you get a lot of privacy. It's perfect. It's a really, really good investment. People love it. We sell other homes that people have it, and they love it.
It's such a great,
adore
such a great
it.
feature.
It's a good thing.
Really, you get so much more use out of your outdoor space if you have
100%.
something like that. A lot of times, like during the summer, late in the afternoon, people come over for drinks or whatever, and the back porch just really isn't an option because it gets really hot.
It does.
But you put down the shade and it creates
cuts
like a little room. It makes it
Put the ceiling
not
fans
so bright.
on.
Put on the ceiling fan, and you're perfectly comfortable.
We have a nice outdoor space that now we can enjoy year round, basically.
Yes.
So if you're thinking about that, or you're buying a house here in Prescott, we've got some great companies that will come and install this.
We'll come up for you.
Highly recommend it. It is well worth it's not too expensive, but it's just a good investment, and really great for resale. People love it, and it's just great to almost make another room for yourself.
Yeah.
In
And
your
we've
home.
also done electric screens inside, shades as well.
Oh yeah,
inside.
absolutely.
We have a couple of big picture windows that I guess it looks east, so the sun rises in the east, so in the morning, the sun kind of blares
We just
through.
hit that, it goes up, and we can watch the sunrise.
Yeah, and with the
Beautiful.
electric thing, you can adjust exactly how high or low you want it. Oh my God, it's so much better than blinds or shutters.
We love it.
You use that little remote and you can make little tiny adjustments. I do it all day long.
It's amazing.
It really good feature, and not that much money.
No.
I guess we have really big windows. We have really big screens on the back deck. I guess we paid. How much did we pay?
Well, we won't talk about it.
We don't talk about that. She doesn't want me to know.
That's right.
You can tell.
But it wasn't that expensive. The solar screens are about $2,000 to $3,000 for and we had two giant ones put up. Yeah. So well worth the investment. Yeah. In the interior of the home, depending on the size of your window, I mean, who knows? It could be $1,000. It could be just depending on the size of the window. Yeah. But well worth it. Yeah. Well worth it.
And
people
get
love
the electric thing. You're thinking, we don't need the electric thing.
Always get the remote. It's so cool.
Oh
it's so cool. It's awesome. It's awesome. Okay, so that's our little tip of the day. If you're thinking about what kind of window treatment, should I add that on my back porch? I don't know. Is it worth it? We're here to tell you 100% it is.
Do it.
You will love it.
Yeah.
Do it, do it, do it.
Do it.
It makes your home just so lovely and that much more appealing to not only your guest and yourself, but maybe for future resale.
Potential buyers.
Yeah, potential buyers.
Absolutely.
So that's all of our
tip for today.
Tip for the day.
You want more tips? The place to get them is pickle411.com.
Got it.
That is our free information site. Whether you are buyer, seller, or somewhere in between, there's something waiting for you there that will astound, delight, and entertain and inform you.
Sure. See what you think. We don't get any money for this, folks. We don't get paid for this. We don't get, as they say in the business, residuals. We get nothing. We get nothing for this.
Yeah.
It's just a wealth of information that's floating in our little brains, and we just feel like we need to regurgitate it and share it with all of our fellow clients and friends.
Yes.
You're welcome.
There you go.
You're welcome.
Welcome for our regurgitation.
You're welcome. All right. Have a good day, and we hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye.
Bye.